Well, it's really hot out today. We are in a big heat wave, and so I thought it would be a nice gesture to go out and buy some popsicles or something cold for the guys today, and we're gonna deliver it.
$5.49.
All right, pulling into Liam's place. I brought you some popsicles.
Thank you.
How you okay?
Yeah.
It's hot. Hi guys.
How are you?
How are you holding up?
Oh.
I brought some popsicles. You want some? I brought popsicles. How you guys holding up? Yeah, you just saying that or you're actually okay? 3 teams down, handful more to go. The ones that are hard to track down are the mowing crew.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. All right, I got a hot lead that goes by the mowing crew. Wish me luck. I'm so glad I caught you. I brought you guys some popsicles.
Oh, thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Hi Cody, I came back for you.
It's good with the lime, I think. It's
All
got
right.
to be refreshing. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
yeah.
I appreciate it.
I brought you popsicles.
Thank you. It's so hot.
I know. I told Mike you guys need something nice this week, so.
Appreciate that. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Just milking.
Yeah, it's awful. All right, I found every person. Okay, well, I don't know about every person. There was maybe 1 or 2 people that were doing other things, but I found 95% of our teams today and was able to deliver all the popsicles, so that's great. Mission accomplished. Go team. Go Pittsburgh.